Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the environment. Enable virtualization, install 2 VPN clients, and create 1 virtual network adapter per VPN. Make sure you have admin rights and backup current network config. Next, configure each VPN client to use a dedicated adapter and enable split tunneling if you want selective traffic. Once done, label adapters clearly so you can assign routes. This setup prevents interface conflicts and gives you control over which traffic flows through which VPN. Now you configure routing rules and optionally chain VPNs. On your host, add static routes that bind destination networks to specific adapters. Use Route Add on Windows or IP Route on Linux. If you need full stack separation, run one VPN inside a virtual machine or container, then run the second VPN on the host or another VM. This creates nested tunnels. Make sure DNS is isolated per stack to avoid leaks. Once configured, use traceroute and external IP checks to verify traffic follows the intended VPN path. To finish, enforce kill switches and DNS rules so a dropped VPN won't leak traffic. You should create persistent route entries and scripts that reapply on boot. Then run continuous tests. Access geo-restricted services, check IPs, and monitor sockets to ensure each app uses the intended VPN. If something breaks, isolate the problem by disabling one VPN and confirming the other works. Revert recent route changes and test incrementally. This troubleshooting step quickly identifies
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.